elephant.
Or the lion?
You call it lion, Jojo.
Lion? You like lion?
Pick one.
Hard choice, yeah? Lion. Yay. You're very welcome in front of life.
With the baby son.
Sir, all this, sir.
Already say one? Already say one?
Come on. Alright, let's go. We out here. Justice. Let them know. Shit is about to get super fucking lit. Choco. Choco wavy. Papa Lilo. Choco.
I'll drop you and take your family.
Yeah, you go bring my family from the room, tell them to not move over to the villa, huh? That's what we'll do. Touchdown. That's my villa, huh? The choco, why me? Okay. Chuck, why me? Shut up! How could a woman who go to bed in Hallelujah? Chuck, why me? This is my baby sister's room. She's here to shut down. No, my own. Lead as fuck. Not gonna but you have one shot that way in a minute. Yo, wrote to me, can I hear? It's my baby's birthday tomorrow. So we're super late. Villa levels, that's what we're doing in UAE. He talk away me. But I tell you, view. So you put the other side, you won't see a minute. When the judge of go, talk away me. Got some mechano. Party tomorrow. It's my wife's birthday. Kula, bro. bullet. You already know. I'm just setting up my brew. Get some James Hennessy, Red Bullet, Verve, Glenmorangie. It's chocolate white milk. Red Bullet, Verve, Glenmorangie. It's chocolate white milk.
We're glad to have you around, so happy birthday to you.
Yo, where you did? Aí eu comprando a Tifris, qual pack money, putz.